Ahoy, color adventurers! Set sail on a swashbuckling coloring journey with our one-of-a-kind pirate crew as they hunt for legendary treasure, but beware. Giant sea creatures guard the gold, from swirling octopus arms to majestic sea serpents and grumpy, treasure-loving whales. Perfect for all ages. Kids will dive into hours of screen-free fun and imagination. Adults will love the detailed designs for stress relief and relaxing creative. Why you'll love it. One-sided pages to prevent bleed-through, color with crayons, markers, or pencils. Encourages creativity, storytelling, and quiet time. Keeps little ones far from screens and deep in adventure. A splash of fun for the whole family. Now available on Amazon. Distributed worldwide and currently offered at a special promotional price for a limited time. Don't miss your chance to snag this high seas adventure. Grab your crayons and hoist the colors, the treasure awaits. Link to the book is in the description below.